Panther Security Systems install video series presents the lower unit locks. Locate and remove any easily accessible bolt on one lower unit section and remove that bolt with a socket that'll fit your motor. Once a bolt's removed, it's a good idea to hand tighten the lock on first just to ensure fit. Once you ensure that it is fit, then go ahead and remove the bolt back off again. If by chance, when hand tightening the lock, it does not screw on, do not attempt to force the lock on. There may be a thread issue. Stop the installation at this point and please call customer service for additional assistance. Panther Security Systems also offers a lower profile nut. This is treated the same way with hand tightening just to ensure fit. If it fits properly, you can go ahead and move on to the next step. Some motors, instead of a nut, will actually have a bolt instead. The process is the same. Remove that bolt from the lower unit and move on to the next step. Once you've verified hand tightening with the nut, you'll want to apply a little bit of Loctite on the nut to ensure good solid fit. Once this is complete, then you just assemble the pieces as shown with the lock washer and then the lock itself. Hand tighten it back on again just to get it started, and then you can use your ratchet set in order to complete the installation. Once using the ratchet, ensure you get a tight fit as best as you can, and that completes the installation of the lower unit lock.